Hello friends. Welcome to lesson number 5 of Adobe Photoshop CC. I hope you will be enjoying and learning from my lessons. I always try my best to explain everything in detail, and in simple words so that you can understand it easily. Before we start our lesson, if you are new to my channel or watching my lesson first time and have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to encourage me. Now let's start. Today we will learn about the healing tools. There are 3 healing tools available: Spot Healing Brush, and Patch Tool, then Content Aware Move Tool, and then the Red Eye Tool. All these 5 tools are so useful and so important in photo retouching. First we will see what is the Spot Healing Brush. First of all, let's make a duplicate copy. To make the duplicate copy of any layer, just drag that layer on New Layer button or press and hold the Ctrl or Command key and then press J. To use the Spot Healing Brush, just select the tool, and click on the spot that you want to heal. This tool is useful to heal a specific spot like pimple. Just place the Spot Healing Brush on the spot and press the left button of your mouse and, boom. To heal the large spot, just simply increase the brush size by using the bracket keys from your keyboard. Now let's see what is healing brush. With the healing brush selected, when I click on the spot it's showing a message. Alt-click to define a source point to be used to repair the image. It's mean you will have to use the Alt or Option key to define a source first. Now choose a clean and fair skin area as source point of healing, by pressing and holding the Alt or Option key. As you can see, when I press the Alt key the cursor is changing from brush to target point. Press and hold the Alt or Option key, click on a fair skin area, then again release the Alt or Option key. Now you can see it clearly that the healing brush has taken a sample of fair and clean skin. And when I click on the spot it's not matching with the skin perfectly. Why? This is just because the healing brush does not match the skin texture and color automatically, so you will need to remain in the circle of a specific area for healing the skin. Now let's see what is the function of pattern. You can choose the different patterns from default library of Photoshop. By choosing a pattern, when I click on the skin, a pattern is appearing. Let's undo all patterns. Now let's see what is the patch tool. Select the patch tool, and on top first we will see what is the function of source. Make a freeform selection of an area. Then drag the selected area where you want to place it. You can see that what's happening in the selected area. To heal the selected area, just use the source option, then make a selection and drag the selection. For example, I want to heal this area. I will create a selection around this area, and will move the selection. As you can see, the selected area has healed and repaired. By using this amazing patch tool, you can fix all blemishes and can easily vanish the pimples. The amazing thing of the patch tool is, this automatically match the texture perfectly according to surrounding area. See the clear difference before and after the using of healing brush and the patch tool. Wow! Isn't looking amazing? Now let's see what is the function of content aware tool. In this picture you can see there are two rings. On top, there are two options, extend and move. First we will see the move function. Just create a freeform selection around the object. Then move the selected area. And you can also resize the object, then press the Enter key to apply. This will take some seconds, depends upon your PC power. I am sorry for delay, it's due to because I have a low config PC. And I am also using the screen recorder with Photoshop. As you can see here, it has not only moved the object but also filled the blank area perfectly. This is the benefit of Content Aware tool. Now let's see what is the function of extend. Now I am creating the free-from selection again. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect. As you can see, this time it's not removing the old object but making another copy of that object. Now let's see what is the work of transform on drop. When I uncheck the transform on drop, after moving the object, the transforming option is not coming, so I can't transform or change the size of the object. There are some more options you can try. With these options you can add, subtract and intersect the selection like lasso tool. Now let's see what is the function of our next tool. The next tool is called red eye tool. As you can see here, sometimes it happens with the camera. When I take a picture, The red eyes problem occur. To resolve this problem, just select the red eye tool, unlock the layer. Let me duplicate the layer so that I can show you the difference. And click on the eye. As you can see the difference before and after. On top with the darken amount, you can set the darken amount. Now after decreasing the darken amount, it's looking more perfect. You can apply different amount to check which amount is looking more better. So, today we learned about the healing and patching. The Content Aware tool with Move and Extend options. And at last the Red Eye tool to remove the red eyes camera defect. So it was today's lesson. Hope you will be understanding and learning. Just watch and do practice. If you will do practice, it will help you to memorize the things. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please like the video for my motivation and to encourage me. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.